320 grams puff pastry. Roll the puff pastry open. Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. Let's mark the puff pastry without cutting completely. Mark the puff pastry into 4 equal parts without cutting completely. Spread with Nutella on the 2 inner bands. Subscribe my channel, give us a like and share the video. Brush with water the outer lanes. Spread sugar on the strips that were brushed with water. Fold the first strips towards the middle. Brush with water. Spread more sugar over the puff pastry. Fold the puff pastry once more. Brush with water once more. Spread a bit more sugar. Cut the puff pastry the thickness of a finger. Place the slices of puff pastry face up on a tray. Brush with water. Sprinkle a bit more sugar on top. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Perfect! Enjoy!